Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this channel I have created a playlist which is a Node.js simple and easy way. So we are learning Node.js simple and easy way, and I am sharing my real-time experience because I'm a backend developer working as a Node.js developer. Okay, so in my previous I have already uploaded two videos. You can see this one, introduction to Node.js, okay, and another one is installation and setup of Node.js environment. You can go to this playlist and check out these videos. Okay, this will help you to get a job in future. Okay, so guys, let's start our today's topic. Before that, please go through this, check out these videos, because these are very basic if you want to be a Node.js developer or backend developer. So you should watch this. Okay, so I'm going to share my real-time knowledge here. So let's begin. So guys, in my last video we have installed Node.js and MongoDB and Visual Studio Code. So we have completed the installation part. So now we are able to run Node.js code, right? So before we start coding, I have to tell you something about Node.js. So guys, in my last video we have downloaded Node.js, right, completely, and we have checked the how we can check Node.js is installed or not in our system. So after that, when we downloaded Node.js and installed in our system, what we got, guys, we got something like NPM, Node Package Manager. So guys, before start coding in Node.js, we have to know something about NPM, or what is what we get, or what is comes with Node.js package, right? So when we install Node.js, what we get? We get package manager, okay, for Node.js. So it's called NPM, Node Package Manager. So what is NPM? We are going to discuss about it in briefly. Okay, so we got NPM when we installed Node.js, right? So NPM is installed with Node.js. So when we install Node.js, we got the NPM automatically. So yeah, that's the thing. We don't have to install NPM differently, because when we install Node.js, it already comes with the NPM package. Okay, so as the name suggests, Node Package Manager. So it's a NPM is totally dedicated to Node. Okay, so it's provide the packages for Node.js only. So guys, now we will learn something about NPM. And so guys, I have written some points here. So the first point is NPM is world largest software library. So yeah, it is a library. Okay, NPM, Node Package Manager, as the name suggested, Node Package Manager. NPM is a library. Okay, and you can say registry also. So it's a large software library. Okay, world's large software library. The first thing is that, and second thing is NPM is also software package manager and installer. So NPM is a software package manager and installer. Like NPM will provide us some command to install packages. So we will see this in our project as well. So without installation, without any package, there is no existence of Node.js, right? So we have to install packages, NPM packages. That's why it's saying that software. It's also a software package manager and installer. So it will install software actually for us, to which we can use in our project. So this registry contains over 8 lakh of packages. So 8 lakh of packages it's contained, which is a huge thing, right? NPM is open source, guys, and NPM is totally free to use. Okay, we don't have to pay anyone. Okay, so it's completely free of cost. And so NPM includes CLI. CLI means command line in. So guys, CLI means command line interface. Okay, so how we can say this? So you have to open terminal and you have to type this command. Okay, so if you type this command without Node Package Manager, if you suppose if you don't have installed Node Package Manager, then this command will not work. Okay, to work with this command, with the NPM command, you have to install Node.js, so that Node.js will provide command line interface to understand the NPM commands. Okay, so after that only Node.js NPM commands will work. So if you don't have Node.js in your system, NPM commands will not work. Like NPM commands like npm install package name. Okay, so this is a normal command to install NPM package. So this command will not work if you don't have a Node.js in your system. So yeah, that's the thing. So guys, next point is that all NPM packages are defined in files called Package.json. So guys, when we install Node.js and when we play with NPM packages, Node packages, then if JSON file is there, which is called Package.json. So inside that Package.json, NPM packages are defined. So we will see this point as well. So let me show you something for that. So guys, this is the package.json file. If I open it, okay, so guys, I have just opened the package.json file and it's look like something like that. So it's an object and key value pair is there. Okay, this is a package.json file which is containing JSON object key value pair data. So this is called dependencies. Okay, so guys, all npm packages are defined in files called package.json. When we open the package.json, you can see this is the dependencies and this is the npm package, mongodb, mongoose. Okay, some more packages will be there. So yeah, these are the packages under the dependency object. Okay, so yeah, this is the point actually. Inside package.json, all dependencies are there. So if you are a beginner, if you don't have any idea, so you have to look about package.json file, and we will see actually how to generate package.json. No worry. So this is the dependency and this is mongodb, mongoose. These are the packages, npm packages we have installed and used in our this project. Okay, so no worry, we will see this stepwise. Okay, how to generate package.json and yeah, blah blah. Again, the content of package.json must be written in JSON. So the content of package.json, as I show you guys here, this is key and value. Okay, this is the key and this is the value. This is the key and this object is the whole value. Okay, so this is the key, this is the value, this is the key, and this is the value. So an object can be a value. Inside that object, another key, another value is there. So yeah, the content of package.json must be written in JSON. So JSON is nothing guys but a object. Inside an object, key value pair data is there. So if you are working with if you are going to work with Node.js, you have to familiar with JSON object. So this is called an object. This this curly braces open and close, key and value, key this one and value this one. So this is nothing but just a JSON. Okay, so everything is depends on upon JSON in Node.js. So you have to understand what is JSON clearly. Okay, so if you are a beginner, you should know this is the JSON. Okay, and this is a normal JSON, and inside that key and value pair is there, and we can do multiple data here. Like here we have a key value. Okay, so we can have multiple n numbers of data in key and value pairs. So it's called JSON. Okay, so npm can manage dependencies. As I said, this is the dependencies, right? So you can install some more packages or you can remove packages from here. So yeah, you can manage dependencies by using npm. So npm install, npm remove commands are there. So yeah, we will see those actually. So one of the npm command is this one only, npm install package. Okay, the package name, this one, the package name. Another point we have to discuss, npm can install all the dependencies of a project. So yeah, this is true. npm can install all the dependencies of a project at once in one command line. So guys, if you want to install the whole packages whatever you have, so you have to just type npm install I or install ins. Okay, so if you type this command in your terminal, so it will install all the packages, but the condition is there, you must have a package.json file in that particular location. So it will install all the dependencies whatever you have in the package.json. So it will install mongodb, mongoose. You don't have to install one by one or line by line. It will just install all the dependencies whatever present inside the package.json under the dependency object. Okay, so we will cover up this on, no worry. So dependencies are also defined in package.json, as we also already see, right? So this dependencies, this dependency object is there, and yeah, this is nothing but this one only. Okay, and dependencies are also already there in package.json. Yeah, we have seen, right? Publish your own package. So npm is something that provide you packages, right? But there is a chance, there is an option, if you got some idea, okay, or you have any specific idea or some unique idea that you want to create a package with that idea, so you can create that package and you can publish your own package, and people will work with the package and they will review it, right? So you can publish your own package. Okay, so guys, to install npm packages, we have to just type npm I and the package name. So right now the package name is nodemon. We have 8 lakhs, more than 8 lakhs of packages. So whatever package you want, you can install and you can use in your project. So npm I for install and the package name. Okay, so here you can see where I am. I have just typed npm nodemon, so the package name is nodemon, so just go there. Okay, this is npm js, and what I can see here, this is the GitLab. Okay, this is the GitLab link. Okay, it's showing me this is the package. Okay, npm package nodemon, and some weekly downloads, it's showing me like 5,47,000. Okay, weekly download only, it's huge actually. Weekly downloads is huge, 5 lakh. So you can compare the package here, whatever package you want to use, so how much it's popular and what is the weekly downloads statistics, right? So version you can see, MIT license is there. Okay, and the package size is matter, guys, actually. So if you know, this is very less size, 206 KB. Some packages are there, previously we have used in our project, so 30 MB, 40 MB, these are the huge actually. So now these days there are lots of compact packages are there, they don't have much size actually, so it's very useful, and the package will work like fabulous, but the size of the package is very small, so it's convenient for our project. So yeah, it depends also that package size should be less and the weekly download should be greater than, right? And yeah, that's all about NPM. So it's one another thing is there, if you want to install some package of NPM package, okay, just click here and you have to open the terminal and type this, and if you put -g means global, so it will install the package globally. So it doesn't matter where from wherever where you are in your system, so you can access that package easily. So yeah, you have to type this command in cmd. Okay, so yeah, you have to type this here, npm install node-mon -g, so it will install globally, right? So let me try to install this package and I hope it will not getting any error. So I have already installed this package in node-mon. So although I'm showing you to how to we can install, right? So node-mon is installed now in my package. So yeah, we will go for it actually. What is node-mon package? So we are going to use node-mon in our project. So yeah, node-mon is very important package we have to install. So right, that's all about npm. So npm is a very major thing we should learn. Okay, so yeah, so guys, we have to work with Node.js, so npm is mandatory, so you should know about npm. That's why I have elaborate all thing about something about npm packages. So to read more what is npm, you can search on Google as well, for your as per your convenience, right? So in this video you can take as a reference of nodes or how npm works, or what is the how we can work with npm, right? So I hope you got a little bit idea about npm and package.json, right? So yeah, this video I'm going to finish up it here only. We'll come with another video. Okay, so guys, these are the basic things we have to cover up. So in my next video we will also cover up some basic things which you should know. Okay, so that's my plan, to cover up the all basic things. After that we can start with node.js code, right? So thank you guys, keep learning, keep exploring, and yeah, thank you. Please do comment if you have any doubt, or please subscribe my channel.